But today, this invitation, this invocation from the horses is an invitation to feel the feeling of that prayer within us. What is it that we've been praying for? It's always been there. And for me, it's tapping into that ability to connect with, through, and them. And I just want to share this with you guys here. They're all holding space for this. To connect with and through them to create an inspired relationship. But we can't be in a relationship if we don't know how to communicate. Right? It's like going to a different country. We have to allow ourselves to open up and learn our authentic way of communicating. And I have kind of a beautiful story about this.